So hello friends, I am Neeraj. Hope you are doing fine. So in this session we'll be talking about navigation between a screen. So what is navigation? In websites you might have seen that you click on a link and you land on some other page and so on. So that is called routing in React.js, but in React Native in mobile application, so we call it React Native call it navigation. So that is called navigation from one screen to other. So by the way, in a mobile development, so we have all this screen space available for use. So right now, like for example, say we are having the three buttons: home, about us and contact us. However, we have already developed the contact us form, and that is embedded, that is added to our home screen. So but the idea is like this home screen should have only the screen for the home stuff, and when user clicks on this contact us, so then only the whole screen should render this home this contact form and nothing, and its own stuff. And when user clicks on about us, so the whole screen should render only the about us content. So this is called navigation, and this is actually this is the same one what the routing in React.js is. Okay, so in routing in React.js also we use some other packages like React Router, and in React Native obviously, so here also the navigation is achieved with the help of a different package, and that is called React Native React Navigation / native. So this package is a external package developed separately by React people. And by the way, if we go to this React navigation.org website, I will put the link over there in the video description. So actually, in order to use it, we need to we need to install a few other packages. So one is the by the way, one is this is the plain one. So we'll be installing in this session we'll install all the required necessary dependencies which we will need at later stage of time, and we will also see so like what kind of navigations are. So React you might have seen in some at several mobile applications, somewhere at the very top, so there are three tabs kind of thing, and like if you open your Gmail application, so you click on the very three dots, and one app drawer comes in, so that is called drawer navigation. And when you click on this 1 2 3 three buttons, so that is called a stack navigation. So if you land here navigators, so what kind of navigators are, so it is very clearly mentioned here. The basic one is a stack. So a stack is when you click on a button or click on a link, so something, so the screen changes. Okay, and by the way, this is the simplest one, and firstly we will use this stack navigation, and second one is drawer. So drawer is when you click on something or hover from, this is very obvious, like you might have, every people might have used the Gmail application. So it is the same one. So this drawer is used when there are lots of menus, bigger menus. So there in that situation we use the drawer navigation. And third one is our bottom tabs. So tabs we can control the positioning, don't worry about that. So this is something like at the very bottom or at the very top. So there are buttons, and they are fixed in at the positioning. So whenever user clicks on something, so it loads the appropriate screen. Okay. So these are the three kind of things, three kind of navigation. So let us start to install the required dependencies first. So we will need to just copy it out from here, and we'll go to terminal, and here we simply just paste it here and click on and hit enter. So it will install all the dependencies, required dependencies. So okay, so this dependency has been completed, and we need to use the stack one. So we will also need to use it to install it. So by the way, like I prefer to use with npm. If you prefer to use yarn, so just click on this tab and it will show you the appropriate stuff. So I copy this stuff and again here paste it and hit enter, and it will take some time, and by the time it gets installed. So okay, fine. So all the required dependencies have been installed within our application, and we are ready to kickstart the stack navigation. So in the session to come, in the coming session, so we'll be modifying this our application in such a way that home screen will have only the home stuffs, and when user clicks on this contact us, so then only we will load this form. We will load this form, I mean on whole this screen, and when user clicks on this button, so we will have a you can say like as per the API response. So whatever API response is, so definitely we will show a success or a failure message. So that is stuff we'll be doing that in next session. Okay. So this video was like you can say like it was a theoretical stuff, but that is also needed. So I'll see you in the next session. So till then, take care and happy coding.